So you're a woman who wants to know how to make money fast? Well, you've come to the right place. In this video, we will discuss 7 actionable tips that will help you earn more money in a shorter time. We'll cover everything from starting your own business, freelancing, and selling products online. So whether you're looking for a quick way to pay off some bills or want to make some extra cash on the side, these tips will help get you there. But before we begin, hit that subscribe button, turn on the notification bell to be notified anytime we post a new video. The first tip is to start your own business. Starting your own business is one of the best methods for women to quickly gain money. This can involve starting a blog, opening an online store, or offering consulting services. If you have an entrepreneurial spirit and some business understanding, this is the route for you. If you opt for this route, there are a few things to keep in mind. First, you'll want to ensure you have a solid business plan. This will help you map your goals, strategies, and how you plan to make money. Getting lost and giving up along the way is accessible without a plan. Second, don't be afraid to ask for help. Whether hiring a virtual assistant to handle some of the grunt work or enlisting the use of a friend or family member to get your business off the ground, asking for help is nothing to be ashamed of. And lastly, don't give up. Making money as a woman entrepreneur can be challenging but worth it. If you stick with it and hustle hard, you can make your dreams a reality. The second tip is to sell products online. If you're crafty or have some products you no longer need, selling them online is a great way to make money fast. Sites like Etsy and eBay are popular options for selling handmade goods and vintage items. But there are endless other options, so do some research and see what platform would be the best fit for what you're selling. There are a few things to remember when selling products online. First, take great photos. This is especially important if you're selling on platforms like Etsy where people can't see the product in person before buying. Ensure your images are clear and show the product in its best light. Second, write great descriptions. This ties in with the first tip, but it's important to remember that your photos don't tell the whole story. Be sure to write detailed descriptions of your products, including any pertinent information potential buyers might need to know. And lastly, price your products fairly. To make money selling online, you need to be competitive with your pricing. But at the same time, don't undervalue your products. Research to see what similar items are selling for and price yours accordingly. Tip number 3, freelance your skills. If you have any special skills or talents others would be willing to pay for, freelancing is an excellent option for making money quickly. This could include anything from writing and editing to web design and coding. There are endless possibilities when it comes to freelancing, so if you have a skill that you think people would be willing to pay for, put it to good use. There are a few things to remember if you decide to freelance. First, set up a profile on a freelancing platform like Upwork or Fiverr. This will help you get started and give you an idea of how the process works. Second, don't be afraid to negotiate your rates. When starting, it's tempting to accept whatever clients are willing to pay, but don't sell yourself short. If you know your worth, stick to your guns and charge what you're worth. And lastly, make sure you deliver quality work. This seems like a no-brainer, but it's important to remember if you want to build a long-term career as a freelancer. If you do good work and treat your clients well, they'll likely come back for more in the future. The fourth tip is to sell your photos online. If you're a good photographer, selling your photos online can be a great way to make money as a woman. Many stock photo websites are always in need of new content. And if you have unique or high-quality photos, you can earn a decent commission. When selling your photos online, be sure to choose a reputable website. There are many scams, so it's essential to do your research before uploading your photos. And lastly, be patient. It can take time to build up a following and start earning sales. But if you're consistent with your content, you'll eventually see results. Selling photos is an excellent way for females to make money online. Tip number 5, be a mystery shopper. Being a mystery shopper is a lucrative job for women who enjoy shopping. If you're excellent at discovering discounts, this is a terrific opportunity to make some additional money. Opportunities for mystery shopping can be discovered in a variety of places, such as online directories or job boards. Additionally, when mystery shopping, make sure to take detailed notes and adhere to all guidelines. Finally, make sure you are paid. Mystery shopping companies will typically send you a check or deposit the money into your PayPal account. Our second last tip is to offer tutoring services. If you're knowledgeable in a specific subject, you can make money as a woman by offering tutoring services. This is a great way to earn extra cash, especially if you're good at teaching. There are many ways to find potential students, such as online directories or word of mouth. And when offering tutoring services, be sure to set a fair price. And lastly, create a contract outlining your services and the terms of your agreement. This will help protect you and ensure both parties understand what is expected. The last tip is to use social media to make money. If you're active on social media, you can use your platform to make money. This could include promoting products and services to affiliate marketing and sponsored posts. There are endless opportunities to monetize your social media account if you have a large following. Remember a few things if you want to make money on social media. First, be strategic about the platforms you use. Not all platforms are created equal, so it's essential to consider which ones will work best for your business or brand. Second, don't be afraid to put in the work. Making money on social media takes time and effort. If you're not willing to put in the time, you will not see the results you want. And lastly, be authentic. Your followers can tell if you're being genuine or not, so it's essential to be authentic in everything you do. Be transparent about sponsored posts or partnerships, and make sure your content aligns with your brand identity. There you have it. Those are 7 practical ideas for women who want to make money fast. By using some or all of these methods, you may start earning additional money right away. Be sure to leave a comment on which method you want us to focus on to show you how to generate an income with.